Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start digital marketing with Salesforce detailed guide step by step clearly. To start digital marketing with Salesforce, begin by setting up your Salesforce account. Visit the Salesforce website and sign up for a trial or a plan that suits your needs. Once you have your account, log in to the Salesforce dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and key features available. Next, explore the Marketing Cloud, which is tailored for digital marketing solutions. Access the Marketing Cloud from the main dashboard. Consider taking the onboarding tutorial for a comprehensive overview of the tools available. Create your first marketing campaign by selecting Email Studio. Design appealing email. Utilize Audience Studio to segment your target audience effectively. Define customer personas based on demographic and behavioral data. Once your emails are designed and audiences are set, prepare for campaign launch. Schedule your email campaigns for optimal times based on audience analytics. Monitor the campaign performance in real time using the reporting tools provided. Analyze metrics such as open rates, click rates, and conversion rates. Adjust your strategies based on the insights gathered to improve future campaigns. Explore additional features like Social Studio for managing social media marketing. Integrate your social channels for a cohesive marketing approach. Utilize automation features to streamline processes and enhance efficiency. Consider using Salesforce's advertising tools to broaden your reach further. Experiment with A/B testing to identify the most effective marketing. Engage in continuous learning through Salesforce's Resource Center and community forums. Regularly update and refine your strategies based on industry trends and customer feedback. Finally, collaborate with your team using Salesforce Chatter for cohesive marketing efforts. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering digital marketing with Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.